Good morning, students. I hope you people had studied very well all the three laws of motion along with the examples and along with certain numericals. See, children, numerical is very important because for the further studies it will be helpful. Now we will see the law of conservation of momentum. It is very important, children. Keep remember this one. Suppose two ball you have taken A and B, that is capital A and capital B, and the masses will be MA, MB respectively. They are moving at a constant velocity UA and UB respectively, and an unbalanced force is going to be applied it. As you can see the ball, see children, MAMB. Velocity is UA, then UB when they will come closer. So children, before collision and after collision. But as you can see in this, FAB when it is going to left to right, and when it is coming back then it will be become FBA. That is, force is going to exerted from left to right and right to left. I hope you people had understood. So children, here before collision and after collision, so UA will be the before and after it will become VA. So what happens according to the third law of motion, we people came to know that FAB equals to FBA. But as it is in opposite direction, we will put one minus sign. What the third law of motion tells? Every action is have equal and opposite reaction. I hope this one is clear, children. Now what we will do? We are knowing that force equals to mass into velocity upon time. Mass into velocity upon time, or change in momentum upon time. So here force equals to AB and mass equals to MB. For force AB, mass will be MB, and force BA, mass will be A, and velocity will be VB minus UB, and time is T. Time we had taken constant. And for the next one, FBA equals to MA VA minus UA. VA is your final velocity minus initial velocity upon time T. According to the third law of motion, when you will put the values of both the force, you will get at last FAVA plus FBVB equals to MAUA plus MBVB. Okay, children. Here, children, what happened actually? This value is going to be cutted down. Which one? Okay, children. See here. What we had done, we had brought this MAVA towards this side. This is positive value and this is negative value. So this value had been brought this side and this value had been brought this side. So what happens? We got all the complete value that is in positive manner. And overall what we got? Every action is having the equal and opposite reaction. So momentum after collision and momentum before collision. Here see one balloon we are going to fill with air. When it is filled with air, attached with the straw, what happens? It will be blowing and blowing and blowing, and sellotape is going to be, then a time will come it will be tied with both the hand, and after that what happens? The motion of the balloon is going to be observed in the straw. So it also showing, because how much we had blow, when the balloon will release the air, that much far away it is going to be fall down. Some questions are given. See here, two bodies of 40 kg and 20 kg masses are taking, as we are talking about the MA and MB. So here also that same thing. Two bodies had been taken, and that is two different masses had been taken, M1 and M2, 40 kg upon 40 kg and 20 kg. U1 is your 10 meter, U2 is your 50 meter. V is absent. Velocity we don't know about the after collision. Before collision we are knowing. So we will write in that M1 plus M2, that is 40 plus 20, multiplied by V, that is 60V, because we don't know the value of V. Then children, 40 into 10, 40 is the mass of first object and U1 is the value of first velocity of that object, that is 10. In the same manner 20 plus, as after collision we are talking, so it will be in opposite direction, so the value will be in negative form, and at last you will get the calculation. In the same manner, one more question is given. A bullet of 20 gram is shot from a gun of 2 kg at a velocity of 100 meter per second. Find out the recoil velocity of the gun. So mass of the gun, that is m1 equals to 2 kg, u1 equals to 0, u2 equals to 0, m2 equals to 20 kg or 20 gram or 0.02 gram, 2 kg, 0.02 kg. We will put the value and you will get that answer. I hope children this all topics are clear. Next class I will give you the notes and everybody should write in the copy coming week, that is Monday. You just send me the PDF in my personal number. Let me see how much you had written after completing this lesson 5. From lesson 1 to 5 all the notes should be in your notebook. I will check whether you had written or not. Everything should be in the copy. Okay children, take care. Thank you.